Welcome children in bio class. Today I am going to teach you skin and its function. Children, you know skin is the outermost covering of the body. It covers the entire body. It has a surface area of 1.5 to 2 square meter. The total body weight in the total body weight, skin is also included. Nearly 6 to 7% of the total body weight is skin. Skin make the largest organ in human body. There are many structures and glands which derived from skin. The skin, together with the derivatives of the skin, is known as integument. So the skin and its derivatives form integumentary system. The derivatives of the skins are hair, nails, sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and mammary glands. So skin and the derivatives of the skin together will form integumentary system. Children, you have to know the functions of the skin. As you know, skin is the outermost covering of the body. It is stretched all over in the form of a layer. So what are the main functions of the skin? First function of the skin is protection. Skin provide protection. So first function of skin is the protection. Primary function of skin is the protection. It will provide protection in different way. First is it provide protection from mechanical shock. So inside our body many tissues and organs are present. The tissue and organs are getting the protection from mechanical shock by skin. Second is it holds body fluid inside and it prevent excessive loss of water by evaporation. So you will see outermost layer of the skin is dead cell, and therefore it will prevent the loss of water by evaporation. Next is it prevents entry of harmful substances and disease causing germs. So disease causing germs and harmful substances cannot enter in our body through the skin, because outermost layer of the skin is made of dead cells, that is made keratin protein. It provides protection to our body. It prevents the entry of harmful substances and disease causing germs. Next protection is it protects the body against ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet light rays are harmful to our body. So skin will provide protection. It will prevent the entry of these rays inside our body. Now next function of skin is that is sensation. Next function is sensation. Skin serves as a sense organ for touch, pain, pressure, heat, cold. So it's serving as a sense organ because we are feeling either it is hot or cold, or we are feeling the surface is smooth or rough, that we are getting information by skin. Next is temperature regulation. Skin help to regulate the temperature of our body. Skin prevent loss of heat in cold weather. So in cold weather, it prevent the loss of heat. In this way, it will prevent the loss of heat. It prevents the loss of heat, and therefore it keep our body warm. But in the summer season, when we are feeling very hot, then it lose the water in the form of perspiration. So in this way, it will regulate the temperature of our body. Next is storage of food. Skin serves as an organ for storing the food. It will store reserve food in the form of fat. So just below the skin there is a layer of fat, that is subcutaneous fat. Next is excretion. Skin help in excretion. Excretion is elimination, removal of waste material from the body. So skin will help in removal of excess of water, salt and urea. So when there is sweating, so sweats come out from our body. If we do an analytical analysis of that, in that we can get salt and urea. So skin not only serving as heat temperature regulating organ, but it is acting as an excretory organ. Next is synthesis of vitamin D. Vitamin D is very essential in our body. Vitamin D we are not getting some other way in our body. So vitamin D is synthesized by the skin when skin is exposed to sunlight. Therefore, we should take sun bath daily. But when intensity of light is very high, then we have to protect to our body, because high intensity of light may cause tanning or some other ill effect. And last point is grip. So skin on our fingers and palms for ridges and grooves. So these ridges and grooves provide a more efficient grip, so that we can catch the things properly. If there is no ridges and grooves in our palm, it is a smooth surface, then it cannot provide efficient grip and we cannot catch the things properly. So these are the function of the skin. So first function is protection, second is sensation, third temperature regulation, fourth storage of food, fifth excretion, sixth synthesis of vitamin D, and seventh is it provide efficient grip.